Good morning, Eastern Shore. Good morning, Howard University. So I'm not going to be on here for long. I am having technical difficulties. My computer completely went out, so I cannot see your responses on KidBlog or Doja. But Miss Aaron can see them. So I'm getting ready to go get a new computer. But before I go, I wanted to review our exit ticket from yesterday, which was finding the main idea of the Daughters of Liberty. So when we are trying to find the main idea, we're looking for the main point the author wants you to understand. What is the story mostly about? Should have been more of a space. But what is it mostly talking about? We need to look at the title, pictures, repeated words and phrases, as well as the intro and conclusion sentence or sentences. So first, let's look at the title. The title of this text is Daughters of Liberty. I know that this is going to be probably talking about women because it's daughters and freedom, liberty. There were no pictures, but let's look at some repeated words and phrases. On our anchor chart, we took notes and we annotated repeated words or phrases. We saw that this text was mostly about the women, colonial women, and conflict between the Americas, the colonies, and Europe. I know women is important. It's in the title, and it comes up in every single act. So I'm going to use race, to write the exemplar. So first is I'm going to restate it. The question was, what is the main idea of Daughters of Liberty? I'm taking the same words from the question, the prompt, and I'm putting it in my restate. The main idea. As I write this, I want you to think about, what do you think the main idea is? What is this text, this play mostly about? Main ideas of Daughters of Liberty is, and I'm going to answer it. And because I see that women are in conflict in every single act, I know that the main idea is about the daughters or the women who wanted freedom from England. So the main idea of Daughters of Liberty is about women from the colonies or colonial women who wanted liberty, which is a synonym for freedom, from England. You can see it. So I answered it. I said the main idea. Am I finished? No, I am not, because we always use race. So we have the R and the A. Let's cite our evidence from the text to support our answer. So what are some things that the characters did or say that supports that they wanted liberty from England? Going back to my notes. In Act 1, they wanted their clothes from the colonies. In Act 2, they didn't want to pay unfair taxes. Act 3, they wanted to boycott and destroy the tea. And then in Act 4, after they destroyed the tea, they stole the coffee. So I think a strong evidence that they wanted liberty or freedom would be that they stopped paying for stamps and they destroyed them. That supports that they wanted freedom from England. So I'm going to put that. Let's think of a sentence starter to help us cite. So I'm going to cite where I found this evidence. In Act 2, the women destroyed stamps from England. I'm almost finished. Now I need to explain. I need to tie it all together. I need to explain how my evidence, is connected to my answer. So let's read it. The main idea of Daughters of Liberty is about women from the colonies who wanted liberty from England. In Act 2, the women destroyed stamps from England. We need to explain how destroying stamps proved that they wanted liberty. So I'm going to use my favorite sentence starter. This proves, because my evidence is proof. This proves they no longer would pay taxes to England. And I'm using a plus sign for space. They wanted liberty from taxes. They wanted to be free of taxes. Sorry, guys. Try to fit it in. I'll post this on my page. The main idea of Daughters of Liberty is about women from the colonies who wanted liberty from England. In Act 2, the women destroyed stamps from England. This proves they no longer would pay taxes to England and they wanted liberty from taxes. We can make this stronger with evidence, but let's annotate our answer for race. We're going to self-check ourselves. Let's see, what score do we get? So did we restate? Did we use all important words from the question to create a statement sentence? The question was, what is the main idea? The main idea of Daughters of Liberty. So this is my R. Hi, Macy. My A. Did I answer? What is the main idea? It's about women from the colonies who wanted liberty from England. So here's my answer. I'm citing in Act 2. I'm telling you exactly where I got my evidence. And I'm also providing my evidence that the women destroyed the stamps from England. So this is my C. Did I explain? This is where we get tricky. Did I explain? Over-explain. Over-explained. This proves they no longer would pay taxes to England and they wanted liberty from taxes. That is my explanation. That is a 4 out of 4. That is the goal. I'm going to get a new computer or see if I can fix my computer so that I can check your answers. I look forward to looking at your main idea. Go ahead and self-score yourself now. before Miss Erin gets to it. Tomorrow, hopefully we will not be having these technical difficulties, and we will be doing phase 2 vocabulary. So, homework. Reread the entire play, all 4 acts, and annotate for unknown words. When you come across an unknown word, circle it. If you can figure it out, use context clues and write it in the margins, and we'll talk about it tomorrow. All right, guys. See you.